And as we are in the postal group segment, we have another sprinter van called Aventuro 600, and it's from Clever. And actually this is a bright copy or similar style, just like the Roadster X. The same style Delta rims and the BF Goodrich KO2 tires. Pretty standard for a sprinter van with a lift kit added on. And we shall be going inside once we have the opportunity to do so, but we are going straight on the back. So we can measure still this bedding because it's pretty similar, just like the Roadster X. Wide opening with a deep garage space with at the deepest part around 1.68 m, and it's 0.9 of a meter, but this is the main part to actually consider when getting this van. So 1.426 from this side, and from the larger part the bed is also 1.450. So just like the Roadster X, these are just cousins. And then we have this slide out there, and we shall be measuring an approximate 2 meters and 2 centimeters. So if you are going for a wider bed, this is the sprinter to get. And this is the slide out that gives you much more space for your legs. We have some presentation here, and this is called the Aventuro 600. Let's go around and take a better look from the front, and after that we shall be entering inside, but it's pretty like the Roadster X, with the same layout and design. And probably we shall be getting also an pop-up roof right up there, so you get additional family sleeping in. And we are in front of the price spec. Standard price for 98,990, and with all the specs we are reaching about 105,612 euros. And these are the specs of the Aventuro. Standard 3.5 tons, 190 PS. And these are the specs, so you can check it out.